Hey, what's up guys? I'm back again with Samsung Galaxy A71 review. The Galaxy A71 will be available Prism Crush Silver, Blue and Black colors. For now, Samsung has only launched a single variant of the device which comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. However, the user can increase the storage by inserting a micro SD card of up to 512GB. Let's get started. A large phone with an ample screen and slim profile, that's what the Galaxy A71 is all about. The Samsung Galaxy A71 is yet another glass-thick phone and that's easy to translate. It's made of both glass and plastic that looks like a glass. A 6.7-inch Super AMOLED has Gorilla Glass 3 protection, hence the glass part, while the thin frame and the dazzling back are made of nicely polished plastic. So the Prism Crush Black model we have here is well crushingly beautiful. The rear panel looks like glass, feel like glass, and shine like glass, means it can certainly fool everyone. Super AMOLED screen is 6.7-inch in diagonal with rounder corners and punch hole for the front camera. It has a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixel that makes for a 20:9 aspect ratio and 393 ppi density. The display is protected by a Gorilla Glass 3 piece for some extra peace of mind. The screen omits HDR10 certification and you won't be able to enjoy premium HDR content over the Netflix, Amazon Prime, HBO and similar streaming services. Having said that, the screen does very well when it comes to brightness. Maxing out the brightness scrubber, we measure 410 nits, while the adaptive brightness can give you an additional kick of 515 nits. The device features a quad camera setup. The primary lens is a 64MP unit with f1.8 aperture. It also features a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera which has a 123-degree field of view. The third module is a 5-megapixel macro lens which is coupled with 5-megapixel depth sensor. The front camera is a 32-megapixel unit that also supports slow-mo selfies. The Galaxy A71 has the same large battery as the A70. It's a 4500 mAh. The phone supports fast charging and it comes bundled with the appropriate 25-watt plug. Using the charger, you will be able to replenish about 51% of its empty battery in half an hour and it takes 81 minutes for a full charge. When it's come to the output through the 3.5mm jack, the Samsung Galaxy A71 is solid performer. When hooked to an active external amplifier, it reproduces the test track perfectly at the volume levels well above the average. The Galaxy A71 is among the first Samsung smartphone to boot Android 10 out of the box, complete with the latest Custom One UI 2.0. It's nice to see that new models are launching with their software already up to date as opposed to have to wait several months for an OTA. The Galaxy A71 is a tangible upgrade over the A70. It has a smaller screen, cutouts, faster performance, better all-around camera, a newer Android and One UI. But like other Galaxy A phones, it comes before it. The A71 is neither cheap nor competitively priced. Let's talk about some pros and cons. A71 is a slim and well-built phone. The large 6.7-inch AMOLED is the treat for multimedia and gaming. The Snapdragon 730 is the smart mid-range choice and excels any job. Excellent battery life, all-around camera setup with good image and video quality. Android 10 One UI 2. Cons: the screen is not HDR10 compliant. The macro camera is limiting and uninspiring in quality. Some IP water resistant would have been nice. In India, a phone will be available 29,999 INR from 24th of February 2020, which is roughly 500 USD. If you like my video, please consider subscribing my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the latest video uploads. Thanks for watching and catch you in my next video soon. Till the time, peace out.